Hey everybody, thank you for coming to my channel. This is Space by Jace. Over the last few months, I've been taking deep space images of Messier 1, the Crab Nebula, and I'm really excited to share with you the results of what I've taken. So first, I want to show you what is called an HOO image, which is hydrogen, oxygen, oxygen. This was an image compiled over several hundred 5-minute exposures stacked all together into one image. And I was really impressed with the results. I'm really excited how it turned out. But going further, I wanted to see how it compared to the famous 1999 image from Hubble of the same target. And when I compared the two, that's when I discovered something absolutely insane. So here is that famous Hubble image from 1999. It's an image that has always blown my mind well before I ever even got into astrophotography. And before I show you the comparison to my image, I want to talk to you a little bit about what the Crab Nebula is. Messier 1 is a supernova remnant of a star that died less than 1,000 years ago. That star was 8 to 10 times more massive than our sun, and once it burned through all of its fuel, in 1/4 of a second, the core of that star collapsed into a sphere roughly 6 miles wide. That violent and almost instantaneous collapse of mass and subsequent ricochet causes what's called a Type II core collapse supernova explosion. Currently, the outer walls of that explosion are expanding outwards at 3.5 million miles per hour. In the 26 years since NASA took that original photograph, the nebula itself has grown 780 billion miles in every direction. If you compare my image to NASA's image, you can literally see the expansion of the nebula itself. This is the part that blows my mind. Even though this nebula is over 38 quadrillion miles from us, you can visually detect how much the nebula has grown in the last 26 years from Earth. I spent a lot of time trying to match Hubble's color palette as closely as possible with the data that I got from my telescope. I hope you find this comparison as mind-boggling as I did.